Hello everyone, my name is Manu and I welcome you all to my channel Learn English. In this video for today, we'll be doing the future continuous tense. So if you have not watched the previous video which was about future indefinite tense, then please do click on the I button above and watch that video first because that will help you understand the future tense from starting, that is our base, and that will help you understand the continuous tense in a better way. So let's get started. What is the future continuous tense? Future continuous is a type of tense that indicates any action that will occur in future. Obviously, when we are talking about a future tense, then whatever the action will be happening will surely show us a future indication or an action that is going to happen in future. But it will also show you the continuation of that particular action for an expected time. That is, you know the time length of a particular action, that when is it going to get over or up till what time is it going to get continued. That type of tense is known as future continuous tense, and this tense is also known as future progressive tense. As I told you in the previous videos also, wherein we were doing the continuous form of present, that time also I told you for any continuous form, that particular tense can also be called as progressive. Either it could be present or could be future. It could be also called as present progressive tense or future progressive tense. So let's see the example moving forward. The example says, I will be learning future tense tomorrow. Now, this is the action which is showing you an activity which is going to happen in future, that I will be learning future tense, and it has also told you the exact time, that is tomorrow we'll be learning the future tense. So that is how future continuous works. Another important point to remember about future continuous is that the future continuous tense expresses action at a particular moment in the future. It can show you action at a particular moment in the future, at a particular certain time. There could be a time frame, a time window to that. The action will have started before that moment, but it will not have finished at that moment. The particular time that which we are talking about, the action could have started before that particular time and will not be finished at that moment. It will continue. So let's see the example. It says, I will be playing tennis at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Now, this is a future action. Will be playing tennis, will be in the future time. Next day, tomorrow, he'll be playing tennis. And that would be at particular time, like we were talking about the expected length, that is at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Now, next one is, they won't be watching TV at night, 9 p.m. tonight. So, this is again a time frame over here which is showing us the time length, that is 9 p.m. So that is how we were talking about, that it could be starting before that moment and could be continuing or might not have finished at a particular time moment. That is how you can understand future continuous, that anything that is going to happen in future, the action that is going to happen in future could be for a particular set time length or could have started before that moment, but it will not be finished at that moment. That is how you can understand future continuous. The two more examples here are, what will you be doing at 10 p.m. tonight? So this is a question form of future continuous tense. Like a person is asking, what will you be doing at 10 p.m. tonight? Now again, the action he is asking about will be in future and the time denotation is also there. So these type of sentence will come under your future continuous tense. Now let's see the structure for future continuous tense. For any positive sentence, if you have to write a positive sentence, then what you have to do is, along with the subject, will come along with be. Like in the indefinite future tense, what we were doing was, we were not using be along with that. Now it is will plus be plus the present participle form of the verb. That is, the verb will be in the base form, plus we will add ing at the end of the verb. Like in the example here is, he will be coming at 10 a.m. Now the action is come. So this particular action is in future. So we have added be along with it because it's a positive sentence. So he will be coming at 10 a.m. Now the verb was come. So we have added ing along with the verb. Now for a negative sentence, you simply need to add not along with will. That is what is happening in all the negative sentences. For almost all the tense, you have to just add not to your positive form. And be will come along with that. That will not, be not plus present participle, that is base ing form. She will not be using the car. That is how you can put the sentence in a future continuous negative form. For a question, if you have to write a question, then it will be that will be come before, and then the subject will come in center, like in all other previous examples also when we were doing, and then the present participle form of the verb. So what you have to write is, will you be playing football? So that is how you can write a sentence, and this is a structure for future continuous tense. So these are some of the examples for the future continuous tense. Please do attempt them. The verbs are given in the bracket. Try to attempt them. This will surely help you to understand this tense, that is future continuous tense. And I'll leave the answers for these in the next video. These are the answers to the sentences that I gave in the last video, that was for future indefinite tense. Please do pause the video over here, do check the answers which are underlined, and do let me know if you have any kind of doubts, then please do leave them in the comment section. So friends, that's all for this video. That was all about future continuous tense. I hope you have understood this tense, and in case you have any doubts, please do leave your comments in the comment section. Please do show your thumbs up for the video. Do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time again with another video that will be about next form of tense. Till then, goodbye and take care.